Hello guys, welcome back to the Sunflowers universe, and this is day 13th of my 60 days weight loss challenge. Yay! But nothing to be yet of because आज I had such a bad headache. Like I have migraine, and people who know me, a few of my friends, they know that I have severe migraine. So when I have it, it's like so bad. And like nowadays I don't really have it too much, but I do have it sometimes, and today was one of those days, and I was like super like my head was paining so much. So I had my medicine, I had my food in the afternoon, I had my medicine, and then I went off to sleep again, and I did not go for my walk and couldn't even do my exercises because I woke up late around 6:30. So I had to start my work as well. So I thought let's just rest today. For now I'm having this protein shake, which is actually pretty filling. So after this shake, I'm not gonna have it anything right away. I'll eat something during my mini break. So probably I'll have some more fruits, etc. And don't worry, I'm feeling all better right now. My headache is gone and I oiled my hair as well, so it's much better.
मिनी ब्रेक में भूख नहीं लग रहा था तो डिनर में मैंने डायरेक्टली 2 रोटी, बीट गाजर की सब्जी, बैगन फ्राई और खीरा खा लिया।
So this is our terrace. This is basically our apartment's terrace, and the sun is rising. Woohoo! Can you guys see? Wow, isn't it beautiful?
पहले मैंने फटाफट मेडिटेट कर लिया बिकॉज इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट 6 o'clock एंड आई वॉज लविंग द वेदर।
Guys, finally it's Sunday और मैं आ गई अपने टेरेस पे, and you guys can see it's super early in the morning, 5:30. Is that super early? Yeah, for me it is super early, but I am loving it. So basically what I have decided, I was thinking about it a lot, and I figured that I have lost some weight already. Okay, like I was 1.5 months back, I was 67 kgs, not only 67 kgs, and within this 1.5 months I have lost 6-7 kgs. I'm 61 kilos now, and I have been following the diet. So I have decided I'll be focusing on my core area because this baby out here needs to go, and that's what my goal is, because rest of my body looks fine, the rest of my body is fine, like I don't have extra fat on any other part of my body. Yeah, probably I need to work on my ass a little bit, but that's a secondary thing. First thing is to get rid of my stomach fat. So I'll be focusing more on the core exercises. So I'll probably not going for the walk every day. I'll probably just walk on the terrace a little bit, and mostly I'll be exercising for more than 40 minutes, 30-40 minutes, even more. And I'll do all kind of core exercises only to reduce my stomach fat. Those exercises I'll be doing. So yeah, that's the plan. I got my stuff. I have my water bottle, I have a speaker and my hanky to wipe my sweat off because I sweat a lot. So yeah, like a pig, like a fish, whatever you want to call it. Like I sweat like crazy and I hate that. But now I'm not hating it because it's actually giving me glow on my face, and also it means that I'm losing some fat. Yay! So yes, now I'm already done with my meditation because I have came like half an hour back, and I'm already done with my meditation, and now I'm going to do my exercises.
तो इतना दिन बाद सनराइज देख के आई वॉज लाइक सुपर हैप्पी एंड आई वॉज गोइंग क्रेजी। तो मैं ये सब थोड़ी देर कर लिया बिफोर डूइंग द एक्सरसाइजेस। ट्राइड टू ईट द सन लाइक हनुमान जी। तर पाए मुझे तेरी सभी बातें, एक बार दीवाने, झूठा ही सही प्यार तो कर। मैं भूली नहीं हंसी मुलाकातें, बेचैन करके मुझको मुझसे यूं ना फेर नजर। इसी गाने पे मैंने सुबह सुबह लगाया था एक स्टोरी इस दिन and now that I am posting it in the future, so yeah, you guys would know it if you're following me on Instagram. फिर स्टार्ट कर दिया मैंने अपना कोर एक्सरसाइजेस लाइक आई सेड एंड आई एक्सरसाइज्ड फॉर अराउंड 40 minutes and I'm doing it every day for like 40 minutes to an hour. मैं एक्सरसाइजेस के वीडियो टाइम लैप्स में शूट करती हूँ क्योंकि अदरवाइज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा लेंदी हो जाएगा एंड आई एम नॉट मेकिंग इट ओनली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द एक्सरसाइजेस बिकॉज आई एम मेकिंग द एंटायर डे व्लॉग, so that's why it's always time lapse and it looks so easy and so simple when I do it this way, but करने में मेरी फट जाती है literally. And guys, now it's starting to feel like if I don't do my exercises, then I actually feel guilty for my body that I'm not giving it what it wants from me. So yeah, even though it's hard, even though it kills me, I still do it every day.
So guys, sun is on top of my head and you know what happens when I'm out in the sun. I become like a vampire. Though I'm not a vampire fan, like vampire series and all, but they're fine. So yeah, I'm done with my workout and I need to work really hard on my core. But this was good. I really enjoyed, exercising in the terrace because एकदम वो हवा खुली हवा and that vibe and looking up in the sky and exercising, that was amazing. So I'll go and take a shower now. I'll give puja, then I'll eat something for my breakfast, then I'll go off to sleep. I'll see you guys. Babe, what did he say? Missed it, sorry, I was capturing these birds. And I'm talking to a bird right now. How crazy I am. Hey, you're pretty. You look super pretty. What's up? Tell me your day. Okay. Oh, then what's happened? Tell me more. Oh, I see. You guys can't see, but she's white and she looks pretty. I think she's a little grayish. She looks black from here because of the shadow. Bye bye, pretty birdie.